Hi, it's Robert from Xtreme Polishing Systems. We're here in Pompano Beach, Florida, in our training facility. And today I'm going to be introducing two new chemicals that Xtreme is offering, which will allow you to polish your concrete floors to a brighter shine with faster time. We're back at the training facility and we're working on one of our practice slabs, and we're to the stage where we're going to be applying our Polished Concrete Densifier, our newest chemical. And what I've already done to the slab, if you take a look, I've gone through with 3 to 4 steps of our polishing process. In this case, I started with 70 grit metals, followed by 120 grit metals, and then went to 100 grit transition. Now that's all it's gonna take. We're trying to minimize scratches. I then went ahead and cleaned the floor thoroughly, just the clean water. And at this point, we're gonna spray down our Polished Concrete Densifier. In this case, we have a small slab, so I'll use a small handheld version. But you can use a 3-gallon pump sprayer, and we're gonna go with a fine tip. So we want a number 8 perhaps, and that's gonna be just good. We're gonna lay down a very thin to win application of our densifier. We're gonna give that about an hour or so to dry. After that, we'll come back and follow up with the process of burnishing. So let's go ahead and apply the densifier now. We're back in our training slab and we're gonna continue with the process. This time we're up to the burnishing stage. We're gonna be using a 3000 grit burnishing pad on our propane burnisher. We're gonna run across the surface right now in both directions, burnishing our polished concrete densifier into the floor and giving us that beautiful polished concrete shine. All right, we're going to continue with our alternate to polished concrete using our two chemicals, and today we're going to be applying polished concrete sealer. We're going to do that with a pump sprayer and a microfiber mop. We're going to apply a very thin coat. Once that dries, we'll come back with our 3000 grit burnishing pad and follow that with a white pad to finish off this slab. Let's get to it. First thing you want to do, always saturate your mop head. When we're working with a mop head, you want to get some product right on there so that we're working with good coverage. Okay, we're going to go ahead and spray down a very thin mist across the floor. I'll come back and then I will mop this in. Normally we're going to do this in a 2-person application. 1 person mopping, 2nd person spraying, excuse me. We'll continue across the floor and I'll lay down a little bit more in front of my mop. Thin to win is always better when applying chemicals. Always follow the manufacturer's rate of coverage. And we'll continue on with another bead in front. Let me put that down. Nice big overlap between sections. And one final application across this last piece. And that should do it. This should take about an hour or so to dry. Once this is dry, as I mentioned, we'll come back with our burnishing pad and we'll run that across. All right, now that we've burnished the floor after the sealer with our 3000 pad, we're gonna follow the instructions and change over to just a white pad and burnish one more time. Let's go ahead and do that. Switching out our 3000 pad for our soft white pad. Always hand tighten, never use any tools. So if you're looking for an alternative to a full mechanical polish, give our Polished Concrete Densifier, Polished Concrete Sealer a try, and I'm sure you're going to be satisfied with the results. You can find these products on our website at xtremepolishingsystems.com, and be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for upcoming products and instructional videos.